So we are here at the Marriott at LAX Airport. So this is a king room and we are gonna head in and check it out. Okay, so when you come into the door, you've got your bathroom. Very nice, very sleek. And then we're gonna come through here and you've got your coffees and your tea for the morning. And then you also have your safe built in and some storage. Behind you, you will find your fridge and some other bits like that. If you then come through here, I think we might spy a Sean on the king size bed there. As you can see, there is ample space in this room. We are on the 14th floor, so you've got your desk space here. It does come with complimentary water, but it also does have this water here. Just be aware this is $7, the bigger bottle here. And then you've just got some storage space where we've just dumped our luggage. And you just got a nice seating area. So you've got your clocks here as well. And that all comes with your USB chargers. This is the current view from the window. This is the pool. We're gonna go and check out the pool area in a little while, but that's it from there. And it is a stone's throw from the airport, as you can see.